My name is Don Walker. I probably have a little bit interesting perspective because I'm not a chiropractor. I'm the clinic administrator of an interdisciplinary clinic in Ocala, Florida. We've been with ChiroTouch now for about a year and a half. We were on a paper system, decided it was time to go paperless, did a lot of research and discovered ChiroTouch. And ultimately made the decision out of all the different vendors that we looked at to go with ChiroTouch, and it's turned out to be a really good decision. It was hard at first because our staff had a bad case of the Eustis. They wanted things to be like they were used to it being, but the training was awesome. It took us some time to work through it, but now a year and a half into it, it's really made a difference in our practice. It's made a difference in our docs' ability to do their documentation. It's caused our workflow to go a lot better. I think it's much more efficient. And one of the reasons that ChiroTouch is of value is because the company is real open to innovations, to new ideas. I'm constantly sending suggestions to ChiroTouch on things that would be tweaked to fit our situation, and they've responded. All the way, most recently, the inventory, keeping up with sales tax as the administrator was a headache, but now that's built into the ChiroTouch system, so it makes the report so much easier. From an administrative level, the reporting I have to do, the UCT6s and all the tax reports and the federal forms and the 990s and the ABCDEs, all those reports now are just very easily generated from ChiroTouch, and has made my life as administrator much easier. Obviously would make a doc in an office his life easier because he doesn't manually have to do those things anymore. So it's made a huge difference going from paper to paperless, and the longer we're in it, the more efficient it's made our operation as a whole.